Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video we'll be sewing this notch collar shirt. I have a video on how to draft and cut this shirt. Please, if you've not seen the video, please go back and watch it, or check the link below on how to I drop a link below on how to draft and cut this notch collar shirt. And you can see this is my shirt. I added 2 inches at the hem of the shirt for folding allowance, and half inches round the shirt, half inches at the center front, 1 inches at the side of the shirt, half inches at the arm area. And this is my facing. I've joined my hairstay on the facing. I cut out the facing and I gum hairstay on it. This is the facing. This is the sleeve. I drop a link below on how to draft a basic sleeve. Please click on the link. And this is the collar. This is the collar. Please don't forget to watch the cutting and the drafting of this notch collar shirt. So now guys, let's get into it. The first thing we'll be doing now is to separate the pattern from the fabric. Now I'll go to the sewing machine. First thing first, I will first use my weaving machine to weave this area, and I'll fold this down like this. I'll go to the sewing machine, front of the facing the front of the fabric, the front, and I will go to the sewing machine. I'll be sewing this on half inches and I'll turn it to the back. Guys, I'm done with the sewing. I did front of the facing the front of the shirt, then I sew, and you can see I weave the facing, then I just match it down with my sewing machine. So now I'm done with that, and I've given this a good press. You can see how it is looking at the back of the top, and this is the front of the shirt. So now next thing we have to do is to join this front shirt with the back. So this is the back of my shirt. I'll be joining the front to the back at the shoulder like this on half inches. So now I'll go to my sewing machine. I'll join this on half inches and do the other shoulder also. So guys, I'm done with the joining of the shoulders. You can see how it is. So now we have to work on the collar. Guys, this is my collar. This is the up of the collar, this is the down of the collar. So it's this up place here we'll be sewing. I'll go and sew this on half inches. Let me open this up for you to see. So now this is it. This is the lining, this is the fabric. So now I'll be sewing my collar on this up side there on half inches, and I'll stop somewhere here. Alright guys, I'm done with the sewing of the collar. You can see how it is, and I launch the middle of the collar. Now we have to fix this to the shirt. When you want to fix this, first thing first, you launch the middle of your shirt, as in the middle of the back of the shirt. And now we'll be doing lining first. So now I'll go to the sewing machine. I will sew the lining first. You can see the lining is facing, the front of the lining is facing the front of the shirt. So now I'll just go to the sewing machine and I will sew this from this center here to this joining of the shoulder here, and stop, and do the same thing on the other side also, and stop. So guys, I'm done with the sewing of the collar. You can see where I stop. I stop at this joining of the shoulder here and there also. Now we have to fold this in by half inches. So now I'll go to the sewing machine. I will fold this in by half inches and stop here also. Now let me sew this and show you guys. Alright guys, I'm done with the sewing of the collar. I made a launch here so it will be easier for me to fold this in. Now we have to sew the remaining part of the collar. To do that, you know we have the facing here. So now this is the facing. We just put the collar in between like this. and bring it out from the inside. Please, before turning your collar, don't forget to give a lunge to this place here where your collar will stop. You just give a bit of lunge this way. This is where the collar will stop, and you sew this like this. Make it in between. You can use your pin to hold this down. Sew from this end to this end here. That's where I will stop. So guys, I'm done with the sewing. You can see the way I sew, and I stop this on the lunge I have here. You can see how neat it is. This is it when I turn it to the front. So now I'll be going to the sewing machine. I'll be joining the sides on 1 inch. So I'm done with the joining of the side of the shirt, and I'm done with my collar. You can see how beautiful it's sitting. Now we'll fold the down of the top on. Now we'll fold the down of the shirt on 1 inch. So now I'll be folding this like this. So now I'll go to the sewing machine and fold this on 1 inch. I'm done with the folding of the hem of the shirt. Now we have to fix our sleeve. I have a link below on how to draft the basic sleeve. Please click on the link. So now to fix your sleeve, make sure you launch the head of your sleeve the way I launch mine, like this, and you launch the shoulder where the sleeve is going to meet together. Then you make the joining of your sleeve facing the joining of the shirt like this, and you turn it to the back and sew all round till, when sewing, you make sure the launch area are together. So now I'll go and sew this round the sleeve. So guys, I'm done with the fixing of the sleeve. You can see how it is. Now we're fixing the buttonhole, and I'll tack in my buttons and display this on my dress form for you to see. So guys, I'm done with the buttonholes. You can see how beautiful this shirt is looking. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate you guys. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. See you guys in my next video. God bless you.